welcome to Singapore, where local time here is 7:37 in the morning of Monday the 19th of March. With your safety in mind, please stay in your seat until our captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. And if your mobile phone is handy, you can now switch it on, although use within the customs hall here in Singapore is prohibited. We hope that you've enjoyed the in-flight entertainment. Don't worry about your headset, leave it on the seat or in the seat pocket in front and we'll take care of it. And please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as bags may have moved and could fall out. A further reminder that smoking is not permitted unless there is a designated smoking area in the terminal. And for those of you travelling further this morning on Qantas Flight 32 to Sydney, this aircraft will be operating that service. You must disembark here in Singapore and please do take all of your personal belongings with you. Please don't forget your boarding pass and passport to reboard this aircraft. For those of you travelling further from Singapore, please check the monitors in the terminal for updated departure times and gate lounge numbers. On behalf of Captain Merriman, your entire team on board, and all of us here at Qantas, we do hope you've enjoyed your flight with us from London, and we look forward to seeing you in the very near future. Many thanks and good morning.